Alright guys, what's up? What's going on? So we're back here with the Envious Repair and Performance, and we're going to be doing a little unboxing on this right here. This is something we picked up from Six Sigma. We're not sponsored or anything in any way. We got ourselves a $100 nitrous kit, and we're going to be opening it up and checking it out. So we bought this for build that we got, and we're building a Nitrous Predator 212 for a drag mini bike. And the only kits I could find online were this one, and there's some other ones, but they looked a little sketchy. So I'm gonna try to open this box without cutting my hands off. Package is pretty good. They do tape it up real good. Let's see. Yeah, let's cut that. Let's open up this side. Okay, so here's what we got in here. We got 2 zip ties. And we got our little jet. So I believe this right here. Yeah, we got a little jet here. Okay, so this is where we're going to be putting where we connect our lines and stuff to. Here's our nitrous line. What do they use for nitrous line? Not sure, but this is what we're using for nitrous line. Should be more than enough. So we'll put that off to the side. It comes with the 5 kit. So these are not CO2. There's a lot of people that are mistaken them thinking this is CO2. This is not. This is nitrous. So it's a whole lot different. Let's see. So I believe this would be our okay, yes. So we have an extra O-ring. So here's the extra O-ring it comes with. Two screws, I wonder what that's for. Okay, so the O-ring goes in there if you need an extra. Here's your button. So I'm guessing what you do is you put your nitrous in here. You're gonna screw this on. Of course, you're gonna do it fast. It's kind of like a CO2 gun. You gotta do it fast so it don't leak out. Okay, so once you're loaded and ready to go, this here is just a little holder, so this will go mounted onto your handlebar. Don't look bad, it's pretty sturdy. So this is where it'll be connected. So you'll be driving your bike, and then you could just press your nitrous button. So this is where we got it from, Six Sigma jet kit. A little sticker they sent us. Just a little thank you for your purchase. And it came with some instructions. So it's a 6 Sigma nitrous system. So it tells you right here what you need and what it comes with. Nitrous go button dispenser, that's what I showed you right now. 16-gram nitrous chargers. We have zip ties, clear poly hose 3/16, Velcro strap, 1 3/16 barbed brass straight nipple, barbed tee, and aluminum threaded nozzle. We need a drill bits. Okay. So it's not too Not too hard. It tells you how to use it. This for 2 strokes, so it doesn't concern us. And then this is just some recommended stuff. So what they're saying here is to use high octane fuel, a colder spark plug, and then also decreasing the gap with the spark plug. And then their kits last about 8 seconds. So for the first time, not to use it more than 2 seconds. Of course, we know that if you use it more than you're supposed to, you'll blow up your motor. And yeah, pretty simple. I like that it comes with instructions too, so for the people who don't know how to connect it, I'll show you how to do it. And these kits, they sell them universal, and they also have ones that are specific to certain motors, so that's pretty cool. Okay, let's take a look inside of here. So we have another Velcro strap to tie it on. This right here would be like our little nozzle. So this right here, we would drill this into the intake so it could spray down. It would be this one we can use, or we'd be able to use this one. So either one would work. So that's cool. A little bit of variety. We got some screws. Our extra O-ring, we'll just put that back in there. Yeah, so the quality don't look bad. It don't look bad at all. And it's pretty budget friendly. It says it works with stock motors and stuff as well. So there's a Nitrous. I'm pretty sure these are the same things like the little whippets. They say you can buy them directly from them when you run out of these little bottles. It says right here 16-gram nitrous chargers. The used nitrous chargers are repurposed as 20cc boost bottles. So that's for, you know, when you have a 2-stroke and stuff like that, which in our case it's not. But yeah, this ain't bad at all. Definitely looks, it's pretty sturdy. Nice aluminum. Button feels strong. Yeah, it's cool. Let's see, take a look at this real quick again. I want to say, yeah, this would go here. Like that. Okay, so yeah, it goes something like this. And then we would connect here, putting this line to here. And then we would reach this in our air box or our air filter, wherever we're running to. And there's a nice secure line there. Have it pointing down towards it. And then we'll spray. Yeah, it's a pretty awesome little kit. Okay, so I just was reading over a couple little things real quick on it. So yeah, this is a very user-friendly, very simple, so it's not hard at all. And also too, from what I was reading, is that this right here is much friendlier to use on the motors because of this little patent pending nozzle they have here. So this one right here allows you to use the nitrous in a much wider range and RPM setting. So it's not forced into the motor, it's more misted into the motor, so it's not as harsh on it. So this is their little setup, how it goes. It's pretty cool. So we're definitely going to be doing an install video on this once we get the bike up and going. And by the way, I'm not sponsored in any way. I'm just showing you guys a little review of this right here. I have this nitrous kit that can, you know, go on anything pretty much. So here's like the little to hold it, the nitrous, the little nozzle that goes on it goes here. This will go on your handlebar, and then while you're driving, you know, you just, when you're ready, spray and go. And yeah, very, very simple. This is, you can put this on virtually any motor, so that's what it's for. Literally any motor. So that's cool. And I think I paid $96 for it. Something like that. So it wasn't too overpriced. They seem like a good company. So if you guys want to sponsor me, you know, or sponsor any of our builds. So yeah, it's real nice. And yeah, so this right here would work for any motor. So if any of you guys out there are using it on any style motor, I'll be using it on a Predator 212, but you can use it on a pit bike, dirt bike, quad, pretty much anything with the motor. Your lawnmower, if you want, you know, you want to cut that grass a little faster, really anything. So yeah, check them out. I'll put their link in the description, but also it's right here, sixsigmajetkit.com. I purchased this through their eBay store. I didn't actually see their website, but I got this through their eBay store. So yeah, thanks you guys for watching, and stay tuned for an install video on this when we get it up and going on our drag mini bike. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little video, a little unboxing and showing you guys this cool little thing. But all right, you guys, stay tuned till the next one.